you don't do anything about the way you work, if you don't do anything about your productivity, if you don't do anything about increasing your productivity, and guess what? By productivity, we have gone past what you can deliver in an era where information is everywhere. I mean, AI, which is even what this video is all about. It's providing people with a lot of information. Information is everywhere. And guess what? It is backed with speed. AI is topping humans when it comes to speed. If you don't do anything based on this premise, if you don't do anything about your productivity, you're already risking being replaced. And I am not joking. It's no joke. I was with a mentor the other day and he said to me, he said, you've already gotten a hang of things when it comes to deliverables, when it comes to delivering on tasks, delivering on what your project you're given. But here's the next level. You need to improve on accuracy and precision. And by accuracy and precision, he wasn't referring to what you know it to mean. He was actually referring to that state where you can actually say to someone that you're going to get this project in 3 days, you're going to get this task in 2 hours, you're going to get this in 5 hours. And true to your word, in 3 hours, in 5 hours, in 2 days, they get it. And when you said that to me at first, I thought, is it possible for a human being to attain that level? And I mean, I doubted it for a moment. But when I went back and I did my research and I asked a couple of senior colleagues if these things are possible, and they told me it is possible. They gave me instances and I watched some of them do it. And I realized it's possible. And I started asking questions. How are you doing it? How are these things even possible? And they said, come along. And what they taught me is what I'm about to share with you in this video. So sit tight. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you 3 AI tools you're probably already using, but you probably have not seen it in this light. Some of you use it and you use it in an unorganized format. Some of you use it and you use it for random things. Some of you use it and you use it for things that are different from what they were created for. And after you're done watching this video and start using them for what they are actually made for, you would watch your productivity increase by 60%. Of course, I would love to get your testimonials in the comment section by. So the tools I'll be sharing with you are categorized into 3 categories. Number one on the list is for thinking. So these are the things that basically make up some of the last chunk of what we do, thinking. So oftentimes when we are given a new task, something we are not familiar with, the first hurdle, the first obstacle we encounter, it's usually the question of how do I even get this done? How do people even do this thing? I remembered when I joined the consulting space, I was given a proposal to prepare. I've never prepared one before. And I said to my boss back then, I said to him, it was going to take 3 days to complete this. And guess what? It took 5 days, 5 working days for me to finish one proposal. And it was crazy. It was really, really crazy. And the thing is this, it's the same for a lot of us. Oftentimes, when you've not done something before, and when you're jumping into a new space, when you're given a new task, it's usually the how, and that is the thinking part of the job. Like I said, the first part is thinking. What AI tool do you need to aid your thinking? ChatGPT. Yes, you heard me right. ChatGPT. And guess what? It's even free. The free version works well. It's just that you've not been prompting it right. So here's basically how you need to do it to improve. You give it the raw version of what you have in mind. You tell it, this is what I'm trying to achieve. This is what I have on ground. This is where I'm stuck. Please help me gain clarity. Please help me refine this. Please help me structure this well. Or maybe you want to make a post, you're looking to achieve visibility. You've crafted a post that you want to post on LinkedIn, on Instagram, or anywhere. And then you're not sure, you give it to it and say, please help me structure this well, but please maintain the human context. Of course, it's going to help you think through it and it's going to give you a better option. Number two, which is the second on my list, is for organization and execution. So remember that the first one is thinking. Now that you're done thinking, now that you've gotten a framework of what to use, the next level of your work would be organization and execution. And the two that stands out here is Notion AI. So this is basically for people who, when you say you get to work and you're like, I have a lot to do. But at the end of the day, when we look at what you delivered versus what you said you have to do, I mean, you were busy all day, but your deliverables didn't match the hours of work invested. So Notion AI helps people create that structure, helps you track things, help you structure the things you do so that you can deliver well. So it helps you map out project outlines, task lists, clear next steps. It puts these things in perspective and you focus on what matters the most. So this is basically how you get to use it. And the next is, which is the last option here, is communication. Communication, I often would recommend using tools like Grammarly, and here's the beautiful thing. These days, Grammarly can be embedded into your browsers. It can be embedded as an extension into your browsers. Instead of just typing and then, these days you can use Grammarly to structure your grammars. You can use it to correct your spellings, to correct your typos. You want to sound professional, you want to communicate with excellence, you want that email to be polished. Other than just using ChatGPT or using any other AI tools to write your sentences, bring them to your where you want to send them. Maybe you want to send an email, bring it to an email. But before then, ensure that you've added Grammarly as an extension in your browser. And whilst you're editing that email, Grammarly will help you insert punctuation marks where they're necessary, insert, make a few corrections. You can actually do this using the free version. So I recommend Grammarly for improved communication. Remember, we've spoken about AI tools that can help you think. We've spoken about AI tools that can help you organize and execute work. And then we've spoken about AI tools that can help you improve communication. If there are things you feel we missed out and they are actually helping you, I mean, this is a community of learners. We want people to learn in this space. So please share it in the comment section and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, before I go, please subscribe, like, and share. See you. Bye for now. Thank you.